In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic molarity. As you all know, we are seeing the quantitative expression of concentration of solutions. Under that, we have seen the mass percentage, mass by volume percentage. Now we are going to see the molarity. Let us see the definition of molarity first. Molarity, the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as molarity. Molarity of the solution is denoted by capital M. Remember, molarity is a simple thing. It is the number of moles of solute. As you know, solute is nothing but the substance which is present in lower amount in the solution is known as solute. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution is known as molarity. Remember, molarity can be found out by using the formula molarity is equal to number of moles of solute, that is represented by N, by volume of the solution in liter, that is represented by V, or else simply you can say that molarity M is equal to N by V. Here N is number of moles, V is volume of the solution, that too in terms of liter, or else you can take it in terms of 1 cubic decimeter. You can find out the molarity by using another formula, that is molarity is equal to weight of the solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1000 by V in ml. Here weight by gram molecular weight of solute is nothing but number of moles. This is the formula which is used when the weight of the solute is given in the question and we have the volume of the solution in terms of ml. As we have seen in the previous video, that is mass by volume percentage is mass of the solute in 100 ml of solution. Here, if in the question he has given you mass by volume percentage, you are going to take this formula M is equal to mass by volume percentage into 10 by gram molecular weight. Or in the question, if he has given you mass percentage and density, or else you are interested in calculating the density, you are going to take the formula molarity is equal to mass percentage into 10 into density by gram molecular weight of solute. Remember, this formula is used either to find out the density, or else if in the question he has given you the density and you are finding the molarity, in both the cases you are going to take this formula. You have one more formula related to molarity, that is molarity is equal to purity into 10 into specific gravity by gram molecular weight of solute. This formula of molarity is used when purity and specific gravity is given in the question, or else we are interested in finding the purity or specific gravity. Now let us see some problems related to molarity. The first problem which we are going to see is calculate the molarity of the solution containing 5 grams of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. If you see closely the question, you have 5 grams of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Here in the question he has given you the weight of the NaOH, that is 5 grams. Gram molecular weight of NaOH is 40 grams per mole, and the volume in the question he has given 450 ml. So in the question he has given you the weight, gram molecular weight and volume. The formula which we are going to use for finding the molarity is weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V. When you substitute the values, you are going to get 5 by 40 into 1000 by 450. Here 5 is the weight of the NaOH, 40 is the gram molecular weight of NaOH, 450 is the volume of a solution in ml. And on simplification, we are going to get 0.125 into 1000 by 450. When you divide 5 by 40, you are going to get 0.125. And on simplification of this, we are going to get the value 0.278 m. This is the molarity of 5 grams of NaOH present in 450 ml of solution. When it comes to the units of molarity, molarity can be expressed in terms of moles per liter or else moles per decimeter cube. Whenever in the question he has given you the weight, gram molecular weight and volume in terms of ml, you are going to take this formula and you are going to solve in this format in order to get the molarity of the solution. Let us see one more problem in which we are going to calculate the molarity of the solution, but in the question he has given you mass by volume percentage. Let us see here. The question is calculate the molarity of a 4% W by V aqueous solution of NaOH. In the question he has given you the mass per volume percentage and gram molecular weight. If you see here, given molarity we have to find out weight by volume percentage, it is 4 and gram molecular weight of NaOH is 40. When you substitute this in the formula, M is equal to weight by volume percentage into 10 by gram molecular weight, you are going to get 4 into 10 by 40, that is 40 by 40. So the answer will be molarity is equal to 1 m. Remember, molarity of 4% weight by volume aqueous solution of NaOH is 1 m. Let us see one more problem in which we are going to find out the molarity of pure water. Here the question is calculate the molarity of pure water in 1 kg of solution. If you see here, in the question he has given you molarity, we have to find out weight is 1000 grams, gram molecular weight is 18. Remember, the gram molecular weight of water is 18 and the volume is 1000 ml. When you substitute this into the formula, weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. As you know, when the weight, gram molecular weight and V in ml is given, we are going to take this formula. When you substitute the values, we are going to get 1000 by 18 into 1000 by 1000. Remember here, 1 kg of solution is equal to 1 liter of solution. When it comes to water, 1 kg of solution is equal to 1 liter of water, because the density of water is 1. It is not applicable to all solutions, but for the water, as the density is 1, we are going to take 1 kg of solution is equal to 1 liter of solution. When you substitute the values and when you solve this, we are going to get 1000 by 18. On solving this one, we are going to get the value of a molarity as 55.5 m, or else you can express it in terms of moles per liter or moles per decimeter cube. This is how you are going to find out the molarity of the different solutions. In order to find out the molarity of the different solutions, you can use many number of formulas which are given here. The first formula is molarity is equal to N by V, or else you can take molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml, or else if it is in liters, it is 1 by V in liters. And you can use this formula, molarity is equal to mass percentage into 10 by gram molecular weight, or else you can take molarity is equal to mass percentage into 10 into density by gram molecular weight of solute. Based on the values which are given in the question, you can take any formula given here and substitute the values in order to get the molarity. And same formulas can be used when in the question he has given you the molarity and asks you to find out the weight of the solute or density or else specific gravity. You can take any formula and substitute the values in order to get the answer. So this is the molarity of the solution, which can be defined as number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. And when it comes to the units of the molarity, it is moles per liter or else moles per decimeter cube.